Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to create our bomb scene functionality. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create the button that will release the bomb when pressed. Create a new texture button scene and rename it to Bomb Button. Save it under Scenes, UI. Let's set the anchor preset to center bottom. Open your assets folder and under Art, UI, select the o.png file. In the inspector under Textures, drag the o.png into the normal property. Let's go to the transform properties. Size should be 16 for X and Y. And for the position, let's set X to 74 and Y to 288. Set the scale to 2 for X and Y. Let's navigate to our mobile controls scene, which is under Scenes, UI. First, we're going to add a decorative frame to the bottom of the screen. Let's add a sprite to the scene and rename it to Frame. Under Assets, Art, UI, drag the UI control frame.png into the texture field. Under Transform, set the Y value to 286. Under Offset, set Centered to False. Now we can instance the bomb button into the mobile controls scene. Instance the bomb button into the scene, and let's make sure that it's centered between the arrows. Let's add a script to our mobile controls scene. Save it under Scripts, UI. Connect the press signal from the bomb button. For now, leave it at the default. We're going to use a custom signal that will allow us to drop a bomb using a standalone button that was instanced into the mobile controls scene, which was instanced into the level 1 scene. Open the global script and add this code. Signal bomb dropped. Func call bomb dropped. Emit signal bomb dropped. We are adding a signal as well as a function that will emit the signal that can be connected in our player script, so that we can call a function there that will instance a bomb into the level 1 scene. I know it sounds like a lot, but once it's all connected, you'll see just how useful a system like this can be. Let's revisit our mobile controls script real quick. Now we just have to call the bomb dropped function here. Type global.callBombDropped. Now we can connect the signal we created in our global script to our skier script. Custom signals are connected in the ready function, so let's go there and add this code. Global.connect bomb dropped self.onDropBomb. OnDropBomb is a function that we will now create that will check to see if we have any bombs, and if so, we can call another function that will instance the bomb. Let's create the function. Func onDropBomb if global.bombs is greater than 0, global.bombs minus equals 1. Comment out instance bomb. Before we create our instance bomb function, we have to preload our bomb instance scene. Add this line at the top of the skier script. Var bomb equals preload, and then scroll down to where our bomb instance scene is and select that as the path. And now we can create our instance bomb function. Func instance bomb var b equals bomb.instantiate var main equals getTree.currentScene main.addChild b.globalPosition equals global position. They say you shouldn't memorize code, but honestly, memorize this code block. It will come in handy a lot. Now we can go ahead and uncomment the instance bomb call in the onDropBomb function. Let's test out the bomb drop logic. Open up the level 1 scene and remove the bomb test node. We're going to make it easier to test our bombs by removing the coins and also by moving the obstacles out of the scene. Let's rename the coin generator to bomb generator. As for the obstacle generator, we're going to add 180 to the X position. This is just going to move it out of the scene for now. Let's go ahead and test it. So when we press the O, we release a bomb, and it will take the Yetis out. So yeah, looks like it's working just fine. Cool. Oh, we got a little bug. Another thing that will help with testing is mapping the A and D keys to our left and right inputs. Navigate to Projects, Project Settings, and select the Input Map tab. Let's set Show Built-in Actions to True. Scroll down to the default UI Left action and click the plus button on it to add an event, or an input that will trigger the UI Left action. Type A and then click OK. Now on the UI Right action, let's add an event. Type D and then click OK. Close out of the input map, and let's test the game again. After testing the bombs, it looks like there are a couple of bugs. 1. The animation played after the Yeti was bombed, so we need to adjust the death timer. 2. The bomb collectibles are taking the Yeti out, so they need to be removed from the obstacle group. Let's take care of the Yeti timer issue first. Check the death timer wait time, and it looks like it's set to 1 second. Now let's check the death animation length, and it's only 0.4 seconds. So let's change the death timer wait time to 0.4 and then set one shot to true. Next, we have to remove the bomb collectible from the obstacle group. Let's open up the bomb collectible scene and add a script to the obstacle area. Save it in Scripts, UI, as obstacle area bomb.gd. In the ready function, call remove from group obstacle. Now let's add an export var. At export var is collectible equals false. Back in the ready function, type if is collectible, remove from group obstacle. Okay, so for the bomb collectible scene, we will set this to true in the inspector. Now let's open the bomb instance scene, which inherits the bomb collectible scene, and set it to false. Let's test it again. Now when we test the game, the bomb collectible will not affect the Yeti, but the bomb instance will. Finally, we have the logic set up for dropping bombs. In the following video, we will add our score notification.